Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to explore an interesting article titled Food Diplomacy, published by the Consulate General of India in Hamburg, which is located in northern Germany. This article highlights the role of Indian cuisine in history, culture, and international relations. We will discuss how Indian food evolved, its regional varieties, and how it has traveled across the world influencing global cuisines. Now, let's start with the first part of the article, which talks about the consulate. The Consulate General of India in Hamburg represents India in Germany. It provides consular services for Indians and information about India for Germans. The article is part of their effort to share cultural knowledge, in this case about Indian cuisine, diplomacy, and international influence. Second part of the article talks about origins of Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine reflects over 5,000 years of history shaped by diverse communities and foreign influences like the Mughals, British, and Portuguese. The arrival of these foreign powers added variety and richness, leading to the fusion cuisine we call Indian cuisine today. Third part of the article talks about early food habits and vegetarianism. As agriculture developed, meat became costly and cattle more valuable for farming. This encouraged vegetarianism with the rise of Buddhism and Jainism around 6th century BC. Non-violence became a religious principle, making meat eating taboo for many. Vegetables, grains, fruits, and dairy became staples for centuries. Fourth part of the article talks about foreign influences on Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine grew through contact with foreigners. Greek, Roman, and Arab traders introduced saffron, coffee, and new cooking techniques. Persian Zoroastrians brought Parsi cuisine and possibly biryani. Mughals introduced Mughlai cuisine with rich dishes including nuts, saffron, and creamy gravies. The Portuguese introduced tomato, chili, potato, and sugar. The British influenced tea, drinking, and dining manners. Fifth part of the article talks about flavors and spices. Spices or masalas are the heart of Indian food. Garam masala, a blend of several spices, is essential, and each region has its unique version. Spices are not just for taste. Ancient Ayurvedic text uses them for healing. Herbs like turmeric, ginger, cumin, and coriander add both flavor and medicinal benefits. Sixth part of the article talks about regional cuisine, North India. North Indian cuisine uses tandoors, creams, and yogurt. Popular dishes include Mughlai cuisine, kebab, kormas, and rich breads like naan and chapati. Punjabi cuisine includes sarson da saag, makki di roti, rogan gosh, and dhaba style meals. Awadhi cuisine is famous for dum cooking and spices like cardamom and saffron. Seventh part of the article talks about regional cuisine. South India. South Indian food focuses on griddle dishes like dosa, sambar, idlis, and seafood. Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad are famous for biryanis, chicken korma, and sheer korma. Karnataka has vegetarian Brahmin cuisines and Coorg has pork dishes. Tamil Nadu's Chettinad cuisine is hot and pungent, while Kerala cuisine blends Arab and Syrian. Christian influences with dishes like appam, stew, hoppers, and fish curries. Eighth part of the article talks about regional cuisine, East India. East Indian cuisine, especially Bengal, emphasizes course-wise meals, mustard oil, and fish. Oriya cuisine is delicately spiced raised using coconut milk. Northeastern states' food varies widely due to Tibetan and Chinese influences, using bamboo shoots, fermented vegetables, and rice as staples. Ninth part of the article: Regional cuisine. West India. Rajasthani cuisine ranges from royal non vegetarian dishes to vegetarian delicacies like dal bati churma. Gujarati food is mainly vegetarian and slightly sweet. Parsi cuisine includes dhansak. Gaon food uses vinegar, chili, and coconut. Malwani cuisine is spicy, coconut based, and includes both vegetarian and non vegetarian dishes. 10th part of the article talks about celebrating with food. Indian festivals showcase regional delicacies. Janmashtami features milk based sweets. Ganesh Chaturthi has modaks and laddus. Mithais vary across region. Rasgulla in Bengal, Ghevar in Rajasthan, Kaju Katli in North India, and Meso in Gujarat. Food is central to celebrations and cultural identity. The 11th part of the article talks about Indian cuisine the world over. Migration spread Indian cuisine worldwide. Tandoori dishes like chicken tikka curry, biryani, and popular globally. Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Singapore, and the Middle East all adapted Indian flavors. In the UK, chicken tikka masala is called a national dish, and Indian restaurants are widespread with the industry worth billions. Students, now let's see what is the conclusion. Indian cuisine is a blend of ancient tradition, regional diversity, foreign influence, and cultural exchange. It has shaped not only domestic culture but also international culinary trends. From spices to sweets, every dish tells a story of history, trade, migration, and celebration. Thank you for listening, students. Remember, Indian food is more than just taste, it is a story of culture, diplomacy, and heritage. Next time you eat your favorite Indian dish, think about the rich history and global journey behind it. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, share, subscribe. See you in the next class. Until then, bye.